Morning guys, Joel Frank here, market analyst at YouTrading, and today we're taking a look at dollar yen. The pair is looking really bullish at the moment, as you can see. If you look at where we're trading right now, this is on a 4-hour candlestick, but we're actually at multi-month highs. I think we're at the highest. If I put it on a weekly really quickly, yeah, you can see we're at the highest since whenever that was. That looks like early last March. So yeah, anyway, let's go back to the 4 hours because I'm going to show you that some of the technicals are looking really quite bullish for dollar yen. So first of all, we had this area of resistance, okay, and it was around 109.30 to 109.40. It was sort of between these two lines. Here you can see over a 3-week period from kind of the start of March until, well, the beginning of this week really, or midway through last week actually. For that whole period we were struggling to get above this area, but then, like I say, last week we broke above it, and then this is a very bullish sign technically. This is what a lot of the technicians and a lot of the longer term bills were looking for. We came back, we tested it, and now we've pushed on again, okay? So from a technical perspective, this is a bullish sign. You like to see it when a currency respects the technicals in this way, okay? So, I mean, we have pushed quite a lot higher already. So if I just get it on a weekly, I guess the next major resistance would be up here, which is around in the 111.60s, and then beyond that you got the 2020 high, which is in the, is it the 112s? Yeah, 112.30 roughly. So that is the area that people will be targeting now. That's a big move, so it might take a couple of days to do. But in terms of the fundamentals, do the fundamentals align with the technicals? Well, it looks very much that is the case, honestly, because the main thing that's been driving dollar yen higher recently has been rising US government bond yields, okay? That's the main thing driving them higher, driving this pair higher this morning. US government bond yields are rising again this morning. The 10-year is up about 5 basis points. It's about 1.77%. And at the start of the week, it was close to, or at the end of last week, sorry, it was close to 1.65%. So that's quite a big rally. So just quickly, why do rising US government bond yields push dollar yen higher? Well, just to quickly explain, it's because when US government bond yields rise, it increases the difference in US government bond yields versus Japanese government bond yields. Because of the Bank of Japan's yield curve control policy, Japanese government bond yields don't really move that much. They stay pretty close. So when the rate of return that you get on US government debt goes up, well, that means that particularly for people holding the Japanese yen, moving your money from Japanese yen into dollars so that you can then buy US government debt becomes more attractive. So the higher US government bond yields go, basically, the better it's going to be for dollar yen. And to be honest, with the US economic outlook looking as positive as it is, with the vaccine rollout going really well, yes, we've had a bit of news this week, which, I mean, government are a little bit concerned about the rollout, about the reopening of the economy, perhaps having gone too quickly because you've got rising coronavirus cases in the US now, which is a bit of a concern. But as long as this third wave in the US doesn't get too bad and the economic outlook there continues to look positive, well then it's probable that US government bond yields are going to continue to rise, which is going to continue to be bullish for dollar yen. And one key driver of that this week to take note of is US President Biden is going to be speaking about stimulus on Wednesday. He's going to be talking about the infrastructure package, basically. So obviously, if the US government's going to be issuing a lot of debt, then that is going to be another factor that puts upward pressure on yields, which could be bullish for US dollar yen. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it informative, and I'll see you all in the next one next week.